Good day, Mom and Sir. I'm Genevieve Katagi, 37 years old, married. I have 2 brothers and 2 sisters. I am the eldest in the family. I have 2 children. There are twin girls. They are now 9 years old. I have experienced her in the Philippines as a domestic helper for 2 years. In the Philippines, I serve family of 4, my mom, my sir, and 2 children. When I started in work, the girl is 1 year old and the boy is 4 years old. So, the 4 years old is in preparatory. Only 3 hours in the school, so I need to prepare breakfast. But him have to wear the uniform, serve breakfast, brush the teeth. I carry his bag, hold his hand, and we walk together to go to school. I fetch him from school after 3 hours. For the 1-year-old girl, make milk, cleaning bottle, carrying, helping to sleep, bathing, and playing. I have a good relationship with children. I love take care children in Hong Kong. I'm willing to learn Hong Kong procedure. I can also do cleaning, washing, ironing, go to market and supermarket, and cooking. Mom, sir, I need to work in Hong Kong because my 2 girls is now schooling and I need a financial support. I follow your instruction. I finish the contract and renew if you still need me. And I hope you teach me how to do the Hong Kong way. Mom, sir, please sign the contract with me. And I hope to see you soon and serve your family. Have a good day.